So, Sprint 6 live demo. Here we go. Since this is like a Firebase sort of thing, Sprint, I'm just gonna run it and it executed. Now let's pull up our database, which you can't see right now because I just did it. So let me just delete that real quick and do this. And there you go. We uploaded to Firebase with the barcode, that expiration date, experimental API, so it doesn't return anything right now because they haven't inputted the expiration date for that one specifically. The input date, basically today, at what time, the generic name, noodles, and the quantity, which is basically just the grams. So that's the demo. GitHub check-in. Um, GitHub check-in. Right. So here, dates still within a sprint day, I think. Let's see, what else, what else, what else? We need to do the new code highlights, right? So this one's just a delete. This one was like the backbone of what I was trying to do. So yeah, this one's just basically saying, well, the first idea was to just take the API call and put that into Firebase. But the API call is very interesting. It's all this, which should not be in Firebase or any database. Yeah, you have to condense that. So this one was just like the first one. So here's where we got into some more, yeah, some more actual real stuff. So the post and get from Firebase work. Basically, I had trouble working with Firebase in Python because the library that uses Firebase is being used with Python 2.7, which means Python 3 is not going to work with it. So I had to go through the library and basically just change some keywords here and there. And yeah, it took me a lot longer to realize what was going on. I thought I just didn't install Firebase library correctly, so I had to do it again. But yeah, anyways, um, yeah, I removed basically mostly everything I did, a lot of spaces. Right. So the code is basically made up of three things. First one is, where are you? The read CSV file. This is basically just going to read what the camera has scanned in, at what time it scanned it in, and to what user it was scanned in. And then get barcode info. This one's supposed to, well, it does actually, get um, the JSON file and extract what we need from it. So you pass in the barcode, save it here into product, data, either one. And then we extract the name, quantity, and expiration date, and then we return that with this. So this is important because this is how Firebase basically wants it. And basically that's just up higher. So the post to Firebase. Well, actually, I could do this one. The get Firebase. This was just a test to see if we connected to Firebase. Let's see here. So post, yeah. Post is basically where we're using the post. It takes in the path, basically like where in Firebase we want to put it, and the data, what we're putting in. So this is hard coded right now because this is going to be read in by the CSV file, which still have to like think of a format how to do it. Uh, yeah, so basically the CSV file is just going to read all the food you have scanned in and then just count that and then change its number. and then the most recent one, and location, where we want to put it. One is freezer, two is fridge, and three is pantry. So this is the code that runs everything basically. This single line just basically does all this. So basically passing the barcode, the get barcode info. Actually, so normally you would read the CSV file, then that would return the barcode. So basically that would go here. But since we just hard code it right now, it's just this. So it's taking the barcode, getting the stuff from JSON, like all the good stuff, the expiration date, the name, the quantity, and then it's taking the path, basically where we want to put it, and like what number item it is, and then we're posting that to Firebase, which is right here. So it goes the number of the food item, barcode, expiration date, item date, input date, I mean, and the name of what it is and quantity. And that's basically it for sprints 3. As for new features, we are, well, I am going to be working on, let's see, return test information from the database. All right, so let's see here, timesheet. Yeah, those are 4 hours, 4 hours, 8, and some on Friday. Yeah, this was just get familiar with the API and also look for the API. And here was the trying to figure out what Firebase want to work, and here is just finishing it all off. As for next week, just return test information. I'll probably look for some other stuff to do here and there, but that's pretty much it.